Hello, welcome to Camperversions. Today I'm going to be giving you this walk around video around this 2022 plate T6.1 Transporter, pure grey. This is a pre-owned campervan that's been built to our Pioneer Discover package. It's with a sliding bed on rails, allowing you to fit it in multiple places inside of the camper. This position here isn't the furthest position forward, but this can allow people to travel in the rear as well as having a large boot space. It has got two single seats, passenger single seat on the front, Eberspacher heater, sink, fridge, hardball standard things, table, sliding door table store, door pocket. It comes with a bike rack on the rear, as well as a Fiamma F45 Awning. This is a tailgate model. You see there with the sliding bed slid forward, giving you a large boot space as well. That will go further forward than that, giving you even more boot space. Hook up as standard. Solar panel on the roof as standard. The van has done 13,000 miles. We converted this 3 years ago to this specification, and the owners decided to upgrade. Highline spec is as standard: air conditioning, adaptive cruise control, front and rear sensors, Apple CarPlay, heated front windscreen. This has also got the reversing camera on this, and obviously the tailgate with single seats. You can see it's actually got a bonnet wrap on there, which can be removed if it's not to your liking, as well as the bumper and tailgate. We've also got some exterior styling on this, the alloy wheels, sidebars, and obviously the extras we mentioned before with the awning in the bike rack. Thanks very much for watching.